Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Are you people suffering from tinnitus? Do you hear a constant ringing sound in your ear and it is very irritating and bothering you? Then this video is for you. Hi, I am Dr. Ritika Sharma, a homeopathic doctor practicing since last 11 years in New Delhi, India. I am here to tell you about tinnitus and how homeopathy can help you in tinnitus. So watch this video till end. Whosoever is suffering from tinnitus, do comment in the comment section what kind of symptoms you are facing, what kind of ringing sound you are hearing in your head. So let us start with the term tinnitus. With this term tinnitus, we define it medically as a perception of sound. Perception, why we call it as a perception? Because this is the sound which patient feel or hear inside his head. These sounds are not coming from any other external source. That's why we have defined it as a perception of sound. It means no external source is there which is producing a noise. This noise patient is experiencing within his or her brain. So that's why tinnitus is a perception of sound. Some people may feel a ringing kind of sound in tinnitus. Some people may feel a buzzing sound in tinnitus. Some people may feel a hissing sound in tinnitus. Some people may feel a beep sound during tinnitus. So there the representation of sound which one is feeling, which one patient is feeling is different in different patients. That's why homeopathic medicine differ in each and individual case because of the variation in the symptoms. And in homeopathy, tinnitus treatment is available because homeopathy is a science which is based on symptomatic treatment. Along with pathology, we give an important role to your symptoms. We keep your symptoms on top base priority in individualizing your case. That's why homeopathy brings good result in case of tinnitus. You must be wondering that about 25% of adult population is suffering from tinnitus. Tinnitus is different from hyperacusis. If you people have a doubt in tinnitus and hyperacusis, you can go and check the ear problem checklist playlist on my channel. In that playlist, you will find the video stating the difference between tinnitus and hyperacusis. In this video, we will discuss only about tinnitus. In some cases, patients are also panicking in the way that they want to know whether their tinnitus is being chronic or it's an acute case. So if you are suffering from tinnitus, if you are feeling a ringing sound in your head more than 6 weeks, then this symptom of tinnitus, we consider it in a chronic category. If you are suffering from this ringing sound in your head less than 6 weeks, then we consider it as a acute symptom or acute category problem. Now let us know, is there any pathological change associated with tinnitus? In many cases, sensory nervous hearing loss is seen in patients who are suffering from tinnitus from a longer period of duration, say it may be 1 year or 2 years. Then eventually sensory nervous hearing loss is seen in those patients who are suffering from tinnitus since more than 1-2 years. Okay. And tinnitus is not necessarily that it will impact your 1 year or your both ear. In many patient, tinnitus is only present in left ear. In many patient, the tinnitus symptoms are felt in the right ear of patient, and many cases are there in which both of the ears are impacted with the tinnitus. So the representation of tinnitus in a patient's body differ. Some people may have it in their left ear, some may have it in their right ear, and some people may be suffering tinnitus issue in both of their ears. In many patients, this sound is so irritable that it causes headache in patient, and the headache is also of pulsating nature. So in homeopathy will help you symptomatically. In homeopathy, there are large range of medicine for tinnitus, and for pulsating headache, there is a fabulous range of medicine available in homeopathy. So if you are suffering from tinnitus or pulsating headache, you must consider a homeopathic doctor and you must consider the homeopathic treatment first. It should be your first line of treatment in this case. Now let us discuss what are the main causes which may lead to tinnitus. So number one cause is noise exposure. If the patient is exposed to a very loud noise, then it will trigger the ringing sensation in their ear. So it will act as a triggering factor. Tinnitus patient have a larger chance that they may develop sensory nervous hearing loss. Another cause is if you were on steroidal treatment or any anti-inflammatory medicine treatment for a very longer period, then there are chances that you may develop tinnitus after such treatment, or you were on immunosuppressant drugs, then you can develop tinnitus in longer run. Any injury also can be a common cause in creating your ringing sensation in your ear, or if you may have any fungal infection in your ear, that may also result in your ringing sensation, which we call as tinnitus. And never confuse hyperacusis symptoms with tinnitus and tinnitus symptoms with Meniere's disease. All these three things are different. In hyperacusis there is no pathology. In tinnitus you will find certain pathology at a certain duration of time, for example sensory nervous hearing loss. In Meniere's disease it is a particular inner ear disease, so pathology is there. So all these three terms are perfectly different, so you must have knowledge that what condition is affecting you, so that you can make a choice to start your treatment as soon as possible. So subscribe this channel for more updates on tinnitus and how homeopathy can help you, and other ear issues like hyperacusis, Meniere's disease, and share in your friend circle also. See you with another video next week.